Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in HomeStreet online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.homestreet.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and at the right side at the top you can see this option. You need to click on that. And here you can see the account type: personal, business, loan, or commercial real estate. We need to click on personal. Now here firstly we need to enter our user ID. After you are done entering your user ID, you need to click on continue. Now again you will be led to this kind of page. And now when you click on continue with security code, you will be receiving an one-time code either in your phone call or your text message. And you have to enter that code on the provided box on the next page, and after that you will be logged into your HomeStreet Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.